If you're heading into your second year of IB Physics, I have 3 very simple tips for you that will help you overcome the overwhelm and the masses of work that you're about to be hit with in this final year of IB. Tip number 1 is please make very good use of my free learning objectives checklist. Basically, I've taken the whole IB Physics syllabus and I've condensed it into very simple learning objectives. You can check them off as you learned them. I highly recommend you spend a little bit of time checking off all the learning objectives you've already learned in IBDP1, and then take that checklist with you to lessons in IBDP2. Okay? Take them with you to lessons and you can check off as you're learning what you've learned inside the syllabus. It'll give you a really clear picture of how much you need to learn before the final exams. Tip number 2 is get yourself some past paper questions by topic. Make sure you're really working hard on those past paper questions as soon as possible. Don't leave it till the end. Here's why. IB Physics is a 2-year course for a reason. It generally takes 2 years to develop the exam technique and the problem-solving skills necessary to score highly in past paper questions. However, you don't really have 2 years now. You've got to develop these problem-solving and exam technique skills quickly, because it's these 2 skills that will make you get a higher grade in IB Physics. And the best way to do that is to use past papers. I have a course called Tribe Physics. We've obviously got all the past papers in there, but I do show you how to accelerate the improvement of those skills. It generally takes 2 years, but inside Tribe, we accelerate that and we quickly improve your exam technique and we quickly improve your problem-solving skills by using something called strategic study. Basically, I've got a step-by-step plan inside Tribe Physics that you follow. It's really simple and it's designed specifically to help you improve those 2 skills. Okay, tip number 1 was learning objectives checklist, which is free. Tip number 2 was past papers by topic. And tip number 3 is a really easy way to maximise your grades in IB Physics is to really focus on your scientific investigation or your internal assessment. If you follow step-by-step instructions, it's really easy to hit all the marks on the marking criteria. Most of my students get a 7 in their internal assessment and it really boosts them before they go into the exam. You have time now. You have time now to get those marks, and I would highly recommend you pay close attention to your investigation. Some free advice: choose a topic that's simple and easy to get good marks on. We have 100 of them on GradePod. And don't overthink it. Don't make it harder than it needs to be. It's very easy to write a clear, simple report and get full marks. I highly recommend you do that. I'm going to give you an extra tip. Start using your data booklet now. Annotate it as you go along. It will make so much more of a difference in the exam for you. Gosh, we covered a lot of tips there. And if you've been part of my email list for a while, you know that I continually send tips and advice through my weekly newsletter. And I hope you find it useful. If you feel like you need extra support for those exams and you want more help from me, then Tribe Physics is here for you. It's my online program where you get direct access to me and all my step-by-step strategic resources to help you maximise your marks in IB Physics. I'm here for you and I'd love to have you as part of that journey. Okay, have a great day. Bye.